In today's video, I'm going to teach you Confluence beginner tutorial. By the end, you'll have a brand new space, your first page, and a clear sense of how to format and review your work like a pro. Start by signing up for a free Atlassian Confluence account. Once you're in, you'll land on your site's home. Think of Confluence as a digital workspace, and the first building block you'll create is a space. On the global toolbar at the top, open the Spaces drop-down. This is where you can browse existing spaces or make a new one for your team or project. Choose Create a Space. You'll see standard templates that give you a helpful structure right out of the box. Pick something like Project Space if you're managing deliverables, or Knowledge Base if you're documenting processes and FAQs. Give your space a clear, memorable name, then confirm Create. Short, scannable names work best because you'll see them in navigation and search results. With your space ready, it's time to add your first page. Click the blue Create button on the top navigation bar. If you're a member of multiple spaces, select the space you just made from the drop-down so your page lands in the right home. On the right side panel, choose a pre-made template such as meeting notes to avoid starting from a blank canvas and to keep your pages consistent across the team. Add a unique descriptive title so teammates can easily find it later via search. Include keywords like the project name, date, or audience. In the center editor, begin filling in headers in the main text blocks. Follow the template prompts and feel free to tailor the sections so they match how your team works. To format and enhance your content quickly, use the / command. Type a / to insert elements like headings, tables, panels for callouts, decision logs, and more. No hunting through menus. Mention teammates with the @ sign to notify the right people and give them context. When you paste a link, Confluence turns it into a smart link that can expand to show previews, statuses, or key details from connected tools. Add action items using checkboxes so decisions turn into trackable to-dos directly on the page. Before sharing, take a moment to review your draft. Confluence keeps new pages hidden until you publish, so this is a safe place to refine wording, confirm mentions, and ensure the content fits within the correct space. Check that your title is precise, your sections flow logically, and your links and tasks are accurate. Your work autosaves so you can step away and return later knowing your draft is preserved. That's it. Your first Confluence space and page are set up, formatted, and ready for prime time.